Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photograph, and it's actually from a wood turner, and they use, I understand a little bit of it, I don't understand the pattern yet, but they use indexing tools to cut these lines and fill them in, and then this is what the gentleman sent me, and I'm hoping I'm understanding what he's wanting to do, because you could do things like this with something like this. And I just colored them in, not that great of a pattern, but I've got my quarter of my pie locked so I can't touch it, and the other part is grouped together, my new pattern that I filled in with the Smart Fill tool, and I can Control D and make a duplicate of that, double click on it, move the rotation, and I can move it, rotate it 45 degrees, and it duplicates that pattern all the way around my subject without having to draw each one of those individual patterns. And I'm hoping this is what I understood he wanted. Like I said, I didn't do like this type of pattern, but you could do it and make it, leave spaces in between and have it make these two diamond shapes and do pretty much what you want. So we'll just back up here. I just, designed this, and let's say we wanted to take our Smart Fill tool and let's use uh, this green. Whoop, don't want to do that. I had it selected, so get the Smart Fill tool and select this green. And because I didn't have anything selected, I need to do here. I need to go to the green. So we'll just pick this turquoise. And let's say we do that one, and you got to think about when you're joining the two, you're going to have two already because you're going to join them. So let's just put one on there, and then let's go down here and put one, and you're kind of working, side to side to make. I guess you've got to get something pretty even until you get somewhere. Now let's go back up and just see what it's going to look like. And because we're not even amount of spaces, you have to do a double in the middle. So because this is locked, we can't grab it, which is a good thing. So we can just select all of our turquoise. Let's Control G and lock it, or group it, and then let's just do the whole thing. Let's grab the whole pattern of all the pattern and Control D and make a duplicate and move the rotation to the center and turn it 45 degrees. Well, I didn't do something right. Oh, I didn't get the whole subject. So we need to go here and group that together. Now we should be good to go. Rotate that to the center and rotate it 45, and it still doesn't look like it's going to work, but it did. And then a lot of times if Corel does that, you made a duplicate and you just have to type in 90 and then just keep doing your pattern over and over and over until it touches it. That would save you a lot of time in drawing instead of filling each one of the, and you could even do more than that. You could cut this into 22.5 degrees instead of 45 degree pies. But if we take this out of the picture, let's go to range and unlock it and see if it's not grouped together. We take it out of the picture and we can see our pattern a little bit better. I'm hoping I understood the gentleman right, and that's kind of what he wanted to do. So anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.